How to add or remove recently added apps on the Start menu. While the recently added section can be helpful, some users choose to remove it for a cleaner Start menu, fewer distractions, or privacy reasons related to displaying newly installed apps. In this video, we'll briefly discuss how to add or remove the recently added section from the Start menu in Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the recently added section? The recently added section in the Start menu helps you quickly find newly installed apps. Located on the left pane, it updates automatically, making it easy to access programs you've just downloaded and installed. The good news is that removing the recently added section doesn't delete any apps. It simply hides the list, and all apps remain accessible and functional. How to configure the recently added section. You can add or remove the recently added section through your Windows settings. If you run Windows 10 or Enterprise, you can also configure the recently added section using local group policy. Let's go through each method in detail. Windows settings. Press Windows +I to open settings, or click the Start menu and select Settings. Go to Personalization, then click Start from the sidebar. Find Show Recently Added Apps and toggle it on or off depending on your needs. Open the Start menu to confirm the change. Local Group Policy. Press Windows +R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter to open the Group Policy Editor. Go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, then Start menu and Taskbar. Find Remove Recently Added List from Start menu and double-click it. Choose Enabled to hide the recently added section. Alternatively, select Disabled/Not Configured to show it. Click Apply, then OK, and restart File Explorer, or sign out and back in to apply changes. Turning off the recently added section can help keep the Start menu tidy and minimize distractions. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove the recently added section from the Start menu in Windows 10, linked in the description below.